Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer USDT from overview to spot wallet on Binance in 2025. If you're into trading or just managing your digital assets, knowing how to move your funds smoothly is essential. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin that helps keep your portfolio steady amidst market volatility, and Binance makes transfers straightforward. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Binance account. If you haven't already, head to the Binance website or app and enter your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets section. It's usually at the top of the page or in the sidebar. Here, you'll see different wallet options like fiat and spot, funding, and overview. Now, in the Wallets overview, locate your USDT balance under the Overview tab. This is where your initial deposits or earnings might be sitting. Click on Overview to expand it, then select the USDT asset. You'll see a Transfer or Move button. Go ahead and click that. A pop-up or new page will appear asking you to specify the source and destination wallets. For the source, keep it as Overview. Then, for the destination, choose Spot Wallet. This is crucial because the spot wallet is where your funds need to be for trading pairs like USDT, BTC. Enter the amount you want to transfer, double-check this to avoid mistakes, and hit Confirm. Binance might ask for a security verification, like a 2FA code, to keep your assets safe. Once confirmed, the transfer should process almost instantly since it's within the same platform. Head back to your spot wallet to verify that your USDT has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a minute and refresh the page. A few quick tips. Always check transaction fees, even though internal transfers on Binance are usually free. Keep an eye on your overall balance to ensure everything adds up, and never transfer more than you intend. If you run into any issues, Binance's support or help center has great resources. There you have it. That's how you transfer USDT from overview to spot wallet on Binance in 2025. It's simple, secure, and gets you ready for trading in no time. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay savvy and see you in the next video.